Now I will discuss various utilities of this Microsoft Teams app. I will talk about various buttons, icon, what are their use. So I'm very thankful to Bhupenderjeet Singh, scientific officer, and he is very kind and he has provided me with the PDF. By reading this, I am able to explain these subtle things there. So right now I have joined as a teacher, let us say, by this account, and from the other, let us say, browser, I have joined as a student. So this is Rajesh as a student. This is Physical Science Society as a teacher. Now I want now you can see I cannot mute or unmute myself. So basically, this privilege is controlled by this option. So if I allow attendees to unmute, then I can see now I can mute myself. But if I select the other way, then I will not able to unmute myself. No. So right now I'm just so you can see another option here, download attendance list. In the Google Meet, you have to plug add an extension called Meet Attendance. Then the automatic attendance, the Google Meet will take automatic attendance, but here the Microsoft Teams has already embedded it in the main app, and you can use by just clicking it. This the Google, sorry, the Microsoft Excel sheet will be generated, and I will share the sheet with you in a while. Also, there is another option called Manage Permission. If I just click on this Manage Permission, so this will go to the internet. So what different things I can control as a teacher? So who can bypass the lobby? So if I have given share the link with my students, and they have the organization account, they can skip the waiting lobby, they can directly join the meeting. So I can select here few settings according to my work, and again always let caller bypass the lobby. So it's up to you. Announce when caller join or leave. Sometimes it is very irritating, the beep whenever someone wants join, there is a beep. So I do not like that beep, so I can turn it off. So who can present? Everyone present, or people in organization can present, specific people can present, only me. So these are several options that you can also select here. So allow attendees to unmute. Yeah, you can also select the same from the Teams app. Okay, so these are some settings. Now, so let us see what else we have. We have this chat box here, and we have different formatting options here. So it is not in the Google Meet. I think not in the Zoom as well. So this is very fascinating. Then there is a raise hand option if I want, if I have some queries, and then I can use this option. Also lower hand option. Then there is meeting notes option. So when I click that, whether I am a student or teacher, I can access that. So I can note down some important point during the meeting, so which is very fascinating as well. I like this option very much. And similarly, apply background effects if you are using video, then some, if you want some images on your background and all, you can try that. Also you can turn on the live captions, you can start recording as well. So this is also very useful thing that Microsoft Team has provided. So the recording will all automatically saved in the Microsoft OneDrive. So you have to link your Microsoft OneDrive account for the very beginning. Okay, so there is another option. You can also turn off the incoming video. I don't want to see the video of my teacher, let us say. So I, a teacher or any other person, so I can just turn off the incoming video. And this is the button to turn the camera on and off. This is for mute and unmute myself, and this is for share content. So let us talk about this share content option. So when I click that, so there is some downwards arrow and I have several options here. So if I want to share my full screen and as well as computer audio, I have to click that. Okay, if I want to share a particular window, it will detect all the open windows and I can select any of these. Okay, so if I want to share some PowerPoint or PDF, let us say, I can also share. So like right now I don't know, okay, I have PowerPoint, but let me just go to some other PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint presentation. So I can share directly my PowerPoint presentation here without sharing my screen. So it is open now. So these are some privileges, and now I can control this PowerPoint slide with this option. Okay. So there is one drawback here. There is no annotate option, which I miss so much. So the Teams app is very well constructed, but still this option is not there. So a bit disappointing. Also, there are certain other options like whiteboard. So this is also very fascinating tool here. So if I want to teach in a connective manner, so this whiteboard is very useful. So there are two options. You can collaborate on whiteboard. Everyone can edit. You can only present yourself. So I'm just selecting the first option, present whiteboard. And so I have different pens here. I can teach. So this is first nucleus, second nucleus. Sorry for my bad drawing. So first my eraser, text. I can also use some text. I have eraser as well. Okay, so I can also write on some notes here. So there is also another option, open in app. So I have already installed this app. So it will open just like this, but there are some internet connectivity issue problem. But what are the utility of this app? You can annotate any document in the real time when you are presenting. Okay, this is the solution for the time being. And now I will stop presenting. Okay, so now I will also talk about the very fascinating thing here. So like I want to share my screen. Let's see this window. Okay, so I have shared this red boundary just telling me that this window has been shared. Now if I go to my edge, so I can see the shared screen. Okay, now what different thing I can do in this app? So let me just share this whole screen. So I will just click this. again I am sharing the whole screen. Okay, now I am sharing the whole screen. So now you can see there are three options. Just let me share it. Yeah, so here you can see there are three options. I am presenting right now this screen, and there are stop presenting. There is some icon here, include system audio or not, or there is another give control. So if I want that the participant can also control my computer like team viewer or any desk. So right now I'm projecting from the same computer. That's why this kind of image is appearing. So if I want that someone can also access my computer, then they can easily do this by this method on their side. If they are using app, they can just press the control, and they can, if you give the right to them, they can easily control your computer. Okay, so this is very useful property here, because sometimes if you are doing programming, you have to access the computer of the other person. So I also like this option very much. So right now I'm just stop presenting. Yeah. So there are also two options here, leave or end meeting. If I want to end the meeting, since I am online, so I can just click here and the meeting will be ended for all the participants. If I just want to leave and the meeting should remain continue, then I can just press the leave button. Okay, so I guess that was all about the Teams app here. So it has several options, but one disappointing one, that I do not have annotate options here. Also, I forgot to mention one thing. So where will be this file saved? So you can see there is some files option here. If I click here, okay, it has some downloads options here. So you can see the list, the meeting attendance that I have generated at that time has been appeared here. So if I click here, press OK, so it will appear in the Excel window. So it will tell me who joined at what time and who left at what time. So that is also very important thing in the class attendance. And also it has also linked my OneDrive account with you. So all the data will be simultaneously uploaded in this section. So all your notes, all your real-time Microsoft OneNotes and any other shared document will appear in this section here. So you can also add some cloud storage here, because there are some options: Dropbox, Box, Ignite, Share File, Google Drive. So it's up to you. So I guess this was all about the meeting app. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section.